everyone, welcome back. Donna here. Excuse me. Welcome back to the first episode of my Christmas projects. And this episode is going to be fairly short because it's a fairly simple project, but it's cute. And I thought it would look really nice on the baker's rack. And if you remember, that's the part of the house I'm going to start with in decorating. The baker's rack has historically a lot of Santa Clauses on it, and there will be a lot of Santa Clauses on it this year also. But I wanted to add a few other touches and not have just a lineup of little people all on all the shelves. So I'm going to do one little project. Now these are all Dollar Tree items with the exception of the chalk paint, which I got at Walmart for $2 and some change, and I'm not sure how much. I'm going to be bringing you down to the desk, and I'll show you the supplies you're going to need, and then we'll get busy making the project. Be right back. Okay, here we are. And this is what you're going to need. These are candle warmers, I guess they call them, that you get at the Dollar Tree, and they always have lots of these in various colors. So I have 2 white candle warmers. Okay, and I have 1 of the clear glass candlesticks. I have 2 red cardinals that came from the Dollar Tree, and I have 2 little picks that I've got stuck on something else. And these came from, these came from Michael's. I was going to use some of the Dollar Tree picks that we got the other day, but when I saw this, it fits so perfectly that I thought I'd use this one instead. But you can use the Dollar Tree picks. There's no reason why you can't. So let's get started. The first thing I need to do is paint this white, and this is a chalk paint. And I'm probably not known for my painting skills. So this is the first. There'll probably be, I would say, at least 4 or 5 different projects. Well, probably more than that by the time we work with the other areas in the home. I have 2 centerpieces to make, and some lanterns to do. And I'm probably one of the world's worst painters, and it gets all over me. Everybody always knows what color it is that I'm painting because I'm wearing it somewhere. Now this top isn't really going to show, but I'm on a roll, you know. So there you go. We've got this painted. I need to let this dry. So I'll be back in just a few minutes once it gets dry. Hold on. Okay, we're back. And it's dry enough for me. I have no patience. So I can always fix it up a little more later. I'm going to use some E6000 if I can get it started. Now I did put a pin down in there. So let me just see here. I don't know if there's Now it shouldn't be dried out, folks. It's a brand new tube, and I have opened it. Here it comes. She says, laughingly. There we go. Boy, and it does seem to be a little bit dry, this glue, for being brand new. And because I want to work on it now, I'm also going to put some hot glue on. Now what I'm going to do is get this. I had a little piece that's dripping down and I don't want it to drip off the edge. There we go. I'm going to put one of these right in the middle. Now I could do it with both of them, but I think I like the idea of having them at staggered heights, okay? So right now I'm going to do just this one, and if I decide that I want to have different, both of them the same height, I can always get another candlestick. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is take this pick, and I'll show you now why I like these picks, because it's got everything I need, okay? And I'm just going to put it in this warmer. And now what I'm going to do is, I don't want to really cut that off, because I might be able to use it again for something else, because I'm not going to glue these in. And then I have some of this moss, which makes a big mess. And I'm going to put a good amount of this glue up here. And stick this on. And I'll give it a haircut when I get it on there. And then we'll take one of these little cardinals, and they have a clip on them, which I'm going to try to take off without breaking the bird. There we go. More glue. How cute is that? So let's do the other one. Got the pick. I'm going to wind the stem up here. And stick it in. I like the apple. Oh, there you go. Well, that one came out much easier. Messy, messy, messy. There's number 2. I'll bring it down so you can get eye level and take a look. Hold on. So there you go. Isn't that a cute project? I love it. And it takes no time at all. Once you've got the candlestick painted, we back up a little bit so you can see both birds. And I think I do like it on the 2 separate levels. So there's project number 1. And it's going to go up there when I get that deconstructed. Love it, love it, love it. Boy, it's looking a lot like Christmas. I'll see you again. See you again Sunday. Don't forget to tune in for the first Super Sunday. In fact, this Sunday, I think you're going to have a double header, because I think we'll have Super Sunday Part 1 and Part 2. So make sure you stop by, say hi. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. I'd love to have you. We'll be back again Tuesday with another project, Sunday with the Super Supper. And I will see you later. And until then, everybody play nice now.